No more default buttons. iOS 18.3 unlocks new customization. Tired of being stuck with the same old flashlight and camera buttons on your iPhone's lock screen? Well, iOS 18.3 is here to change that. Now, you can fully customize or even remove these buttons and replace them with shortcuts that actually matter to you. Let me show you how. For the first time, Apple is giving you control over your lock screen buttons. Instead of being locked into the default flashlight and camera, you can now swap them out for more useful shortcuts like Shazam instantly identify songs, dark mode toggle between light and dark themes, alarms quick access to set or disable alarms, airplane mode toggle on and off with a tap, wallet and tap to cash instantly access Apple Pay, and more. Ready to personalize your iPhone's lock screen? Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Enter edit mode. On your lock screen, touch and hold anywhere until the Customize button appears. If prompted, unlock your phone with Face ID or passcode. Step 2. Select lock screen. Tap Customize, then choose lock screen to start editing. Step 3. Remove a button. Tap the minus icon on the shortcut you want to remove. Step 4. Replace or leave blank. Tap the plus icon in the empty space. Pick a new shortcut or leave it blank for a cleaner look. You can swipe through the 61 options or use the handy search bar at the top. Step 5. Save your changes. Once you're happy with the setup, tap Done to save. To exit edit mode, tap anywhere on the lock screen and you're all set. This small but game-changing feature in iOS 18.3 gives you more control over your iPhone than ever before. No more cluttered lock screen, just the shortcuts you actually use. Thanks for watching! And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos.